If you are unable to access your Spotify account and do not have verification code, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the Spotify login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address linked to your Spotify account in a provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Spotify. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. This email will contain a link to reset your password. Step 5. Reset your password. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Spotify support for further assistance.